Welcome back to AJ's Week in Web, where you can get all of the web development trends for the week in 3 minutes or less. The first piece of news is pretty exciting. It's coming out of TensorFlow.js, and what they've created is amazing. It can do person and body part segmentation in the browser, so it'll identify each part of a person's body, and we'll break it down between your arms, head, legs, and it separates it from other objects that are in the distance. It's absolutely incredible. I didn't think I'd be able to see something like this in the browser for years. I was reminded in the Angular Ann Arbor meetup that there's some great tools around RxJS, and I had to do a shout out for one that I've used for a little while now. It's called RxMarbles.com, and what you can do is take the slider and actually see one of the streams objects that you're kind of working through and what each one of the operators does to that object. Since I am always saying how much of a visual learner I am, this is huge for me and I hope it helps you as well. Up next is PikaPkg. It's an NPM package builder. And what this is going to allow for is simple and flexible configuration setups. I've started messing with this a little bit myself. It's pretty handy so far. What I really appreciate is their last line on their page says, Pika is a project to move the JavaScript ecosystem forward. Pika's mission is to make modern JavaScript more approachable by making it easier to find, publish, install, and use modern packages on NPM, which is everything I spend almost every week doing, so it's kind of fantastic. Check it out today. Next item isn't necessarily a new tool, but it's a contest that Flutter is putting on. So it says build it with Flutter Create, and the goal of this is to create a Flutter app that is 5 kilobytes or less, and the most creative one is going to win up to 10,000 in prizes. I'm starting to become a huge Flutter fan myself. I haven't done full projects on it yet, but I'm learning. So if you're interested in winning up to $10,000 prize, check it out today and give it a go. One of my favorite parts about the Angular community is how they help each other out so much. On this one, they have created Angular checklist, and it's the most common mistakes that you'll make in Angular. You can check them off and read documentation on how to correct them. For all you designers out there, or if you're a developer trying to be a pseudo designer like I am, they've done a fantastic job with a new typeface that they take anything from a button to a billboard in size, and it's all scalable vector-based typesets. So it's pretty fantastic. Their story is great. If you don't know the backstory on Airbnb, there's a couple great podcasts out there about how Serial saved the day. Thank you so much for watching AJ's Week in Web. If you like web development news, subscribe today and click that bell. You'll get instant notification each week when the newest episode drops.